Hello everyone and welcome back to our online smartphone course. Today we're going to learn how to change the font on my WhatsApp messages. Okay, so let's say I have a message and I want to send it so that it will be bold. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go into WhatsApp. Okay, now notice how I'm in a conversation with the person that I want to send to. If you're not already in the conversation, tap the person that you want to send to's name. Okay, over here, let's say. Sorry. Just tap on the conversation and you should have down here type a message. Okay, now tap on the type of message. Okay, just you can tap on it where it says type a message and go ahead and write what you want to write them. Let's say hello. Okay, my name is David. Let's say. Okay, so now notice how there's a line that's going in and out of the message right here. Okay, if you just press on that line for 2 seconds and then release, notice how it will say select all right here. Okay, just go ahead and tap on select all. Okay, then notice how there is cut, copy, paste, and 3 dots right here. Okay, 3 dots. Go ahead and press on the 3 dots and you'll have a list of things. You can do clipboard, share, dictionary. If you just scroll down as I'm doing now, notice how my finger's on dictionary. I keep on pressing dictionary and just go up, scroll down. You'll have bold, italic, and strike through and monospace. Okay, so let's go ahead and press on bold. Okay, all you need to do is just tap on bold and look down here. The message became bold. Okay, and if I press on send, look at my message, it is in bold. Okay, let's try something else. You can, let's say, okay, press on this line that's right here for 2 seconds. Okay, let's 1, 2, and release. Select all, tap on select all. Then you tap on 3 dots. Okay, you scroll down and let's do italic. Okay, and send right here. Press on send. See how it's slightly slanted. Okay, let's try something else. Good day. Okay, 2 seconds on the line. 1, 2, release. Select all. 3 dots, and we can do monospace. Okay, and send. Okay, that's also different than your standard messages. The most common one is really the bold one. That's what we send out when we send you guys messages, our daily messages. We do bold. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.